Installing a screen protector on your Galaxy S25. Here's how to do it perfectly. No bubbles, no stress. Step 1. Power off the phone. Turn off your Galaxy S25 to prevent accidental touches during the install. Step 2. Clean the screen. Use the microfiber cloth to wipe the screen completely clean. Remove fingerprints, dust, and oils. Step 3. Remove remaining dust. Use the large dust sticker to lift any particles the cloth missed. Pat the screen lightly across the surface. Step 4. Test the fit. Before peeling anything, place the screen protector on the phone to check alignment and confirm which side is adhesive. Step 5. Create a hinge. Apply 2 guide stickers to the screen protector and stick the other end to the phone. This forms a hinge for easy alignment. Step 6. Add a handle. Attach a third sticker to the protector. This acts as a handle to lift and lower it like a flap. Step 7. Peel the backing. Lift the protector using the handle and peel off the backing to expose the adhesive side. Step 8. Apply the protector. Slowly lower the protector onto the screen, starting from the top and letting it settle naturally into place. Step 9. Remove the air bubbles. Press down firmly. Use your fingers or cloth to push any bubbles out towards the edges. Step 10. Final touches. Remove all the stickers. Wipe the screen once more with a microfiber cloth. Your Galaxy S25 is now protected with a flawless install. If this helped, follow for more tech tips and accessory tutorials. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'm here to help.